Well, it's finally warm out. Does your air conditioner need tuned up? It's not too late. Gary's here from Home Comfort Experts to explain what happens during that air conditioner tune-up. So it's not just you go in and bang on it. See, that's what I would do if I were tuning it up.
Give it a good kick.
Bang on it, kick it a little bit.
Yeah.
It's all good. Still running. What do you do in an air conditioner tune-up?
Well, there's a lot of things. There's 20 checkpoints that we hit. And there's a lot of different things. Probably won't hit all of them, but checking the electrical components. A lot of people don't necessarily consider their furnace as part of their air conditioning.
Right.
But your furnace and your air conditioner work together. So there are things there we have to check: blower, capacitors, control boards, thermostat, that type of stuff. Outside, you have, your condenser coil, your fan motors, your electronics outside as well. And just an overall cleaning is a big part of the maintenance. Cleaning that air conditioning coil and getting all that so it's not plugged up and it's letting air through outside is part of that maintenance. And if it is plugged, it can increase your electric bill by 30%. So that's something everybody, especially right now, a lot of people are having hard times. A little preventative maintenance can save you a lot of money on your electric bill.
Absolutely. And it is nice that it's finally warm enough.
Yeah.
There very well may be some people that within the next week flip that sucker on. I heard Matt Leach say it may hit 80 degrees towards the end of next week. Absolutely, we are. So what happens, they turn it on, hear something, or obviously if it doesn't turn it on at all, they should call you. But are there a few other signs that, yes, I should call Home Comfort Experts and not just try and figure it out myself?
Right. Well, the best thing you can do is, for one, is make sure your air filter is clean. It's something your homeowner you can do. Airflow is huge, especially in air conditioning and furnace as well. If the air's not able to move across that coil the way it's supposed to, it's not going to cool properly. Make sure you have a good clean filter in there. You should check it once a month anyway. If it doesn't come on, or if it's making a funny noise that you haven't heard before, turn it off. It's the best thing you can do. Call us. We can come out and check it out. Right now, best thing you can do is call us and have the maintenance done. The guys go through their checklist, completely take apart the outdoor unit, clean it up, check the coils, clean the coils, flush the drain lines out, make sure the point of the maintenance is so you don't have any breakdowns in the middle of the summer.
Much less expensive to do maintenance than to fix it if it breaks.
That is correct. Yeah. One
thing, we're all concerned about germs right now. We're all concerned about keeping things safe. You have a new sanitation system too.
Well, we are doing things.
Or system sanitation, I guess.
Yeah,
is what
we have some stuff that we're using to a chemical to clean the evaporator coils inside the house. When we do the maintenance, and what it is, we spray it on there. It is rated to kill the coronavirus, and that's part of our maintenance that we do. And it keeps that coil clean as well, so you don't have any issues. And
it's safe for you guys to come in right now. You're doing social distancing. You can do it without any touch, you can do it totally safely. Why is it so important to do that maintenance? Besides what we already talked about, that it's less expensive to have you come and do the maintenance than to have you come fix it later. Why else is it so important? Well, for one, safety is a big one. Part of it we just talked about with what's going on. We can also check the furnace while we're there. We don't want any carbon monoxide issues with that. When we're in there taking care of that coil, we can also check that furnace to make sure everything's safe there too, and so you're safe inside your home. Well, and there are some specials going on right now. You've got a couple different specials that people can take advantage of. Yeah, right now there is some financing for the air conditioning. $500 off. There's a $10 a week payment for air conditioning that is coming out. There's some different things there. There's a $76 VIP tune-up that you can get and be part of, where you get the 20 points that we check and take care of your air conditioning and get it taken care of. Absolutely. Now's the time. Give Home Comfort Experts a call today so that you can be safe and cool this summer. We'll be right back.